My name is Kyle. I recently got done attending AGM's AI training course with Manuel, and I gotta say, I was impressed. It exceeded my expectations for sure. Um, I had recently heard about Manuel giving another presentation just talking about social media strategy, and that really kind of blew me away. And then I started following him on social media. Next thing you know, they got an AI training course. I had a couple talks with different team members over at AGM, and just the company in general seems very thorough. They really seem like they know what they're doing. And I told myself if I want to get real serious about learning more stuff about AI, I'd really like to learn it from this company and see how they're doing it. And I was not wrong in thinking that. All kinds of great takeaways from this 2-day event, all kinds of templates and prompts that we can use in the future. It makes things way easier. And yeah, looking forward to plugging into more of their events. Thank you.